Hello again. This is Curryman364 and I'm picking up right where I left off on my old Mother 1 file. Anyway, did you like the new intro? I thought it was neat. Alright, but anyway, this music's nice. That's just a little ad in there. There's apparently it's healthy there. Anyway, I'll be going down here to that graveyard. If you remember, there's that one guy talking about it. Hey look, a square door! And I hit the square door. I think there's some guy around here talking about a cemetery to the south. Hello guy, what do you have to say? Yeah, you get to be a zombie too! Okay, that's probably not good. Yep, of course. Of course, the one guy that I talked to is, Mr. Zombie Man. Alright. I think we gotta go down here. Let me read this sign that has dots on it. Dot sign. West, healer south, bridge path, cemetery. Walking alone is dangerous. It's dangerous to go alone. Zelda references. Oh no. Bats. That are evil. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can heal myself with anything that I have. Ooh, I'll eat this bread! Woo! 21 HP is recovered. Yay for me. Uh-oh, the trees are turning weird. What happened to you, trees? Who did this to you? Why? There's a wall here. I see. Uh-oh. The music's turning weird. There's a house. A bunch of graves. Try and be careful here, because it's dangerous to go alone. It's spooky here. Hide behind this grave. Well, I do a horrible job of hiding behind things. There's a hole in this one. Should I go in it? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, it's dark and there's stairs. I'm worried. There's 2 big doors. They're moving. Uh-oh. More pseudo-zombies. There's a bunch of pseudo-zombies. Gotta beat you up, pseudo-zombies. Die. Alright, I win. Oh. Oh no, what's in this one? Inside the casket was? What? A person. Hello, why are you here? I'm Pippi. I'm lost. You're really brave, huh? No. You're really brave. I hope we meet again sometime, don't you? No, I hate you. I guess you already have a special someone, huh? Okay, let's go back to town now. Yeah, you go lead, actually. I'm too scared. You lead the way, Ninten. Oh, okay, I guess I will, since I'm the brave one here. Even though I said no the first time. Okay, we gotta get out of this spooky graveyard. Oh no! We ran into a bat. We gotta be very careful, because it's scary here. Oh no! More bats! Bats! Oh no! A giant zombie! Why is everything attacking me now? No! I shouldn't have said that, I jinxed it. Who thinks I jinxed it? Raise your hand. I can see you. Alright. Oh no, it's another pseudo-zombie. Can I like use PSI? Yeah, I'll use life up. I'll life up here. There go your life went up. Ooh, I remember where no! Bad pseudo-zombies. No! Bad. Bad. I'm walking. Whenever he walks, he has like this bounce to it. Oh no, don't need to go there. This is a nice song. Oh no! You ruined it, Bat. Yeah, I like this song. Let's go back to the town. Or maybe we don't even have to go back to the town at all. You're staying with me. You help. He's a nice helper. I'm not giving you up just yet. The song has a bunch of nice, funky beats in it. Alright. Let's see. Oh, I guess I'm going to the depth store. Let's see. I know I'm gonna have to. You need this ATM card? I'll withdraw all of it. 4, 9, 2. Oh, no, I accidentally pressed no. No. This song can be the most annoying song ever, and it can be the most awesome song ever. Ooh. Sports goods. I like sports. Alright. Give me this T-ball bat. No. Okay, I'm gonna equip this T-ball bat. Alright. I'm gonna sell this cracked bat. I can't sell it. I guess I'll sell on the first floor. Foods. Pet. Oh hey, I want to get a pet. As you can see, all of our animals have escaped. All we have left is this canary chick. Interested in buying it? Yes. Then how about for 85? No, I don't have that money. How about for free then? Come on, take it. Okay, you apparently don't like this canary. Alright. I have a feeling this canary will become of use. No, I'm not gonna sell you. Alright, yes, take my cracked bat. Alright, use this ATM card. Oh, nothing happened because I wasn't on top of the ATM. Alright. No, don't withdraw, deposit, no. Oh. This song is starting to get annoying. Alright. There we go. No, don't do that. No. Why are you doing this to me? Oh, there's one button that you hold down to run. Which button do you hold down to run? Oh yeah. This is the map. My home. Oh, probably need to go back down. Let me check the map. Yeah, it's probably in that black spot down there. Oh wait, no, that's the healer's house. So yeah, you do need to go up. Alright, I'm wrong, don't listen to me. Actually, do listen to me. Otherwise you stop watching this video right now. No, please don't. Hello, unimaginable fat guy. Ooh, let's read this sign before we go. Welcome to Mother's Day. Oh, let's see. What's on you, sign? Canary Village ahead. Let's go to the Canary Village. Because they probably want this canary. Alright. Here we go. Ooh, this is probably the Canary Village. It still has dead trees. Hello, canary. I think I'll PSI you. Telepathy. Darn, nothing happened. Oh well. At least I tried. And now I think I'm trapped in some sort of maze of trees. Oh, no, I made it. Why is there like one so... I think I need to give to that one. Hey, that works. Hello. I'm Laura. Yeah, sure, you go do that. Here's. Laura the songbird was so happy to see the baby again, she began singing. Ninten learned the melody. Alright. That was a nice melody. Alright. Now for a bunch of walking. 'Cause everybody likes walking. I still think there was like a button that you press somewhere. To run. Oh well. No. I'm confused. Oh. Oh no, I went the wrong way. As you can see, I have not memorized the map. Oh no! Ooh, I beat a snake. Aw, stray dog. That was the weirdest battle ever. Yeah, it's the Canary Village sign. And then up here is the town again. I'm back in the town, everybody. Hi, unimaginable fat guy. Beep, 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 dee, dee. Alright, now we need to go put you somewhere else. Oh, hello, person. I have a secret to share with you later. I'll remember that. Hello, guy. Oh, is this Pippi, the girl who got lost? Stunning work, lad. I knew from the start that you showed promise. Clap, 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 applause. You're so lucky, Pippi. Adorable, too. Now remember to tell your mother that the mayor rescued you. And thank you for minting a $100 reward. Here. Say, since you're here and everything, will you help with the zoo problem too? No. Oh, you'll go check it out? That's wonderful. I said no. You certainly do love to play games. Give my assistant Abbott. Give you a key to the zoo. I need that key. Here you go. This is the key to the zoo. There we go. I got a key to the zoo. Are you ready to share that secret? Nope. Oh, right. I'm gonna go. Actually, I think I'll save this zoo going till next time. Blah blah blah. Yeah, save. We'll use it wisely. Need blah blah. Okay. Alright, so this has been Kirbyman 364. And I'm going to sign off now.